Hello, everyone, and welcome to STENO 24/7. I hope everyone is doing well today. As you can see, I'm ready to do some dictations for you. I'm on Hangouts Air and haven't done this but one time before, so I hope that you guys like my live broadcast and that you give me a thumbs up if you do, and maybe I'll keep doing these. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be reading case number 3 on land dispute. And I'm going to be doing this at 50 words per minute. And I'm trying to find my screen share over here. I'm going to open my drill machine and share that with you. That's what it's supposed to do, I think. You are screen sharing. Present to everyone. All right, now we are screen sharing, and I'm going to go over here to my other program I have open, and I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. For 50 words per minute. This will be case number 3. 2 voice, 1005 words on the subject of land dispute at 50 words per minute. Ready? Let's write. Question: will you state your name for the court and jury? Answer: my name is John Hurt. Question: where do you now live? Answer: in Mergerville, Township of Redford County, just outside of Mergerville. Question: in what capacity do you run this farm, as tenant or landlord? Answer: I operate it as the owner. Question: how long have you owned this farm? Answer: well, it's hard to answer that. Question: let me clarify that for you. What date did you purchase the farm? Answer: I am pretty sure it was on March 1st. Question: can you recall the date you moved on the farm? Answer: it seems to me it was around September 1st. About in there. Question: from whom did you buy this farm? Answer: I bought it from James Myers. Question now: do you know if James is any relation to the defendant in this case? Answer: he is his father. Question: did you look over the land, investigate it before buying? Answer: yes. We went over to look at the land, went over it in detail prior to making any agreement as to purchase. Question: was anyone else present when you examined the land? Answer: yes. We went over to look at the land, went over it in detail prior to making any agreement as to purchase. Question: was anyone else present when you examined the land? Answer: yes. Robert Myers. Question: was the father there? Answer: oh, yes, of course. The seller, he was there. He was the man I was going to buy the land from. Question: I hand you plaintiff's Exhibit B. Will you please identify that? Answer: yes. This is the contract for deed that was signed at the time we entered into the agreement to buy. Question: will you read off the parties of that plaintiff's Exhibit B? Answer: quote, this agreement made and entered into this first day of March 2005 by and between James Myers, party of the first part, and John and Ronald Hurt, parties of the second part. Question: where was that contract drawn up? Answer: in an attorney's office. Question: give us the name of that attorney. Answer: I believe his name was Portland. Question: who was present when the contract was drawn up? Answer: I was there, and my brother and Robert Myers and Ethel Myers, his wife. Question: now, Was the defendant present at that time? Answer: yes, the defendant was there, but he was not there in any official capacity. Question: did he make any claim for the property during the contract negotiation at any time? Answer: he said nothing at all. I am having a hard time remembering. Question: he said nothing at that time. Answer: no. Question: let us go back a little to the negotiations prior to purchasing the land. You say Robert Myers was there when you examined it. Answer: when we were looking it over and making the preliminary inspection with the idea there was a possibility of purchase. Question: did he at any time make any claim of ownership? Answer: none at all. None at all. Again, he had nothing to say. He was simply there. Question: did you know that Robert was a tenant on this farm? Answer: no, I did not. Question: what capacity did you think? Answer: well, it seemed as though he was employed by the father to operate the farm. Question: was there anything that was not to be included in the contract together with the land when you made this contract? Answer: yes, there were two items mentioned, a stable and I forget what kind of a shed they call it, but there were two buildings. I think these were included in the contract as exceptions. Question: are those articles the same that you are trying to answer? No, they are not. They are not the same articles that are under dispute. No, sir. Question: was there a well on the farm when you examined it? Answer: yes, there was. Question: was there a windmill? Answer: no. Question: how did they get water out of the well? Answer: with a pump and engine. Question: was there any other way of getting water out of the well? Answer: no. That was instead of the windmill that wasn't there. They used an engine and a pump. Question: was this pump just sitting out in the open? Answer: no. There was I suppose you would call it a pump house or a shed that housed the engine and the pump. Question: did you notice these articles on the farm when you examined it prior to signing the deed? Answer: yes, sir. I did. Question: and Robert never made any claim to these articles when you were going over the property? Answer: he made no comment at all. Question: can you describe this pump and jack? Answer: the well was there, and then a pump and a jack. This is the one converted from the gasoline engine to operate the pump in the manner it had to be done. The pump also used some pipe that went to the engine. Question: could this pump be hand operated? Answer: no, it could not. Question: it had to have an engine? Answer: that is right. Question: in what manner was that engine connected to the jack? Answer: you mean the power takeoff? Question: that's right. That is the question. How was it connected? By pipes or Answer, well, no. There was a power drive connection. You are talking about the connection between the engine and jack? Question, that is right. Answer, it is a power connection with the pump jack. And the engine was bolted to the floor of this house that we speak of. Question, what was the size of this shed that these articles were in? Answer, about 6 by 9. Question, was it sitting on the ground, or did it have a foundation? Answer, it had a concrete block foundation. Question, would it be easily movable? Answer, no. It wasn't portable in any way. Question, now you say you saw these articles? Answer, oh yes. In any inspection of the farm, you would naturally see them. Question, what's your opinion of their value, if you have one? Answer, engine, $60. Shed, $45. Pump and fittings, $30. Question, were there any other articles on that land when you examined it that were missing when you moved on to the farm? Answer, yes. There was a fence. It was a standard field fence with wood fence posts. Question, do you have an opinion of the value of that fence? Answer, about $10. Question, do you know when these articles disappeared from the farm? Answer, it was around the 1st of August. Question, when did the defendant move off the farm? The farm that you purchased. Answer, I can't answer that. I don't know. Question, do you know who has that property that disappeared from the farm? And that's it, folks. There you have it. That's your case number 3, 50 words per minute. I hope you enjoyed the dictation, and I will have more dictations coming for you. And please don't mind my hair. It looks a mess today, so it's okay. It's fine. We're gonna get through it anyway. So anyway, thank you everyone for coming, for subscribing, for supporting Steno 24/7. I really do appreciate all of your dedication towards this channel, because this channel is definitely dedicated to you. And I'm going to be putting out a whole lot more. Give me 1 second here. Just want to see how this works. Okay, anyway, I'm definitely going to be putting out more videos for you. And I just want to say thank you so much for coming. It's been a pleasure. And I hope to see you at the next video. And happy writing, everyone.